Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is part 2 of the Dead Flowers series. The first one I painted were dead roses, and then today I thought I'd try dead sunflowers, and I kind of like how it turned out, so there might be a part 3 of this. Hope you like this simple painting, and without further ado, let's begin.
Watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Burning cities and napalm skies. 15 flares inside those ocean eyes. Your ocean eyes. No fire. So shines, I'm scared. I'm never falling back to side. I've been watching. Ocean eyes, no you really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. I'm never falling back to side. I've been watching. Watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Burn 如是那